Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying ownership and access. Log into your DNS provider and SSH to your server. First, back up existing certificate files and the web server configuration so you can restore if needed. Next, install or update OpenSSL or Certbot. This ensures tools match modern TLS requirements. Once done, run a quick OpenSSL version check to confirm support for TLS 1, 2, or 1. 3. Because outdated clients cause failures. Make sure your domain's /AA records resolve to the server IP. You now obtain and place the certificate. If using Certbot, run it with the appropriate plugin, Apache or Nginx, to request and auto-install the cert. This handles challenges and configuration. If you prefer manual, generate a 2048-bit or larger RSA key or EXA for smaller size, then submit a CSR to your CA and download the certificate plus chain. After retrieval, copy full chain, PEM and privkey, PEM to your server's cert directory, and update your virtual host to reference those exact files so the server serves the complete chain. You finish by restarting the web server and verifying the outcome. Run Nginx or Apache, then restart the service. Next, test the site with OpenSSL Client Connect domain, 443 server name domain, or an SSL testing tool to ensure the certificate chain, hostname match, and accepted TLS versions are correct. If the browser still reports invalid certificate, recheck the chain order. Full chain must include intermediates. Confirm SNI is enabled, and ensure time on server is accurate, because clock skew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.